Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna do a side profile. I didn't do it for such a long time. Like everything I do right now, I'm doing right now is like I'm not doing it for such a long time. It's happening because for my academic works. It's not like I don't draw because I do drawings because this is what I study. I'm a student of drawing painting, so of course I do drawing. Come on, but the problem is that I can draw whatever I want because there are classworks, homeworks, assignments, submissions. So I have to do works for that, and I don't have that much time to draw anything by my own because I really don't get that much time. The drawings I do at my class, those takes really a long time, and I really need to be into that. So that's why I can give enough time to myself to draw whatever I want. I really like to do whatever I want, like draw. I want to do whatever I want to draw. But of course, I'm studying it, and of course I have to follow the grammar and everything. So that's why. But let's do the side profile that I'm doing it today, and I hope you're all fine and doing well. So let's start.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be way more patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.